When you invest in SPY, you're buying a small piece of 500 of America's biggest companies all at once. But what's actually inside this ETF? And how does it work? Let's break it down. The SPY tracks the S&P 500, an index of 500 large US companies, but it doesn't split your money evenly. It's market cap weighted, which means bigger companies like Apple and Microsoft take a larger share of your investment. So, if you invest $100 into SPY, around $7 might go into Apple, $6 into Microsoft, and the rest gets spread across hundreds of other companies. You're instantly diversified without having to buy each stock individually. When you buy SPY, your money goes into a trust that actually holds the shares of those companies. You earn dividends from them, and your share price moves up and down as the S&P 500 changes. ETFs like SPY make it simple to invest broadly, but it's worth asking, do you want to own the whole market, or are there sectors you'd rather focus on? Drop your answer in the comments. So now you know what's really inside SPY. One ticker, hundreds of companies, and one of the easiest ways to invest in the US economy. If this helped, give it a like. And as always, thanks for watching.